Good morning. Today we're going to the Batu caves. Just gonna have some breakfast and then we're gonna pick up our laundry. So we have to pick it up the next day, and then yeah, we're gonna get a grab to the Batu caves. The food at Fika was really good. We paid probably about $25 Australian for everything. We got a little bit extra, so we got 2 main dishes and I got a smoothie bowl and a cup of tea. The cup of tea was probably like the most expensive thing. Like, it was 10 ringgit and the dishes were about 20 each. So compared to Melbourne prices, that's pretty good. You probably pay like 20 bucks for just one dish on its own, so 24 for everything. It's a pretty good deal. Just going to ATM to get some money out for Jacob, and then we're gonna go to the laundromat, pick up our clothes, and then yeah, off to the Batu caves. Made it to the Batu caves. The grab driver was really chatty. He was telling us all about the tourist areas and things. Fresh fruit popsicles. May have to get one on the way down. There's a lot of steps. A lot of steps. They're all really big as well. Oh, there's a baby. Oh. No.
Nice.
No, I'm okay.
Okay. Thank you very much. My monkey. I love monkey.
Oh!
Every day.
Oh dear. Oh God. Yeah, I'm not feeding these ones. Very possibly all have rabies. Ooh.
We just jumped straight in.
I don't know if you have to pay. I think you do. Oh!
The things, and they get given things. They pull people's wallets and take. Stay away from my wife. What are you doing? Might have to switch my GoPro actually. There's a lot of water coming down. See, the ground's all wet. I was not prepared for how wet it is in here. The caves are usually pretty wet for
I guess, yeah, it's a cave, after all.
Yeah.
So I had to switch to the GoPro because it is like basically raining in here. So the camera's different quality, that's why. This is the peak of the Batu caves. The ticket for the train. It's like a little, it was like a Connect 4 thing, like a, this way. Touch it. Oh. The train only runs every hour on the about half past every hour. Just got back to KL. We got up at Kuala Lumpur station. Now we're going to get some lunch in Chinatown. I am getting some serious looks today. I think my outfit's a bit full on to people. A few people have taken my photo without my permission. One guy asked for my photo. It's a bit awkward. I'm just, I don't know. Weird. Just a merchant cafe. Morning. I realized I didn't update much yesterday. I was just kind of enjoying spending some time with my mans, but we went to Fuego skydining at Trioca, which was amazing. It was one of the best meals I've ever had in my life. The view there was so beautiful. Definitely recommend going there. It's also a good alternative if you don't want to pay entry to get into the KL Tower or the Petronas Towers. It's definitely worth just going to one of the rooftop bars and just having a couple of drinks there or having a meal. That way you get some food and a view, and you can see both towers both up there at once rather than visiting each of them and only getting a little bit of a view. But yeah, the view is amazing from up there.
skin with your nails.
Yep.
And then just drink the water.
Okay, and that'll cool you down.
That will cool you down as well. So
like it.
basically, the antidote to the fruit is in the
fruit
skin.
itself.
Yeah, in the